The 1959 Pontiac Catalina hardtop, Canyon copper and Cameo Ivory over brown and tan. Date correct, 389 cubic inch V8, hydromatic, automatic. Man, you talk about space age styling.
Right.
Things were really mostly original. This thing is just a big solid cruiser,
If I bought this car, I would back it into the garage. So when I came out to the garage, I would see the back end.
Yeah.
Because the front end's kind of Pontiac. It's pretty typical that the era they all had this
back
front
end.
But the back end is cool.
Sha-la-la-la.
Sha-la-la.
Whatever that means.
That's what I was going to say. Sha-la-la-la.
Sha-la-la-la. I'm just making up words here.